Big news coming in from the parliament. All suspended Rajya Sabha members of parliament, which is 8 in number, have decided to end their protest, end their dharna, but only to show solidarity with the entire opposition members who have decided to boycott the rest of the monsoon session of the parliament. So yes, they are ending their dharna, which is outside the premises, which is just next to the Gandhi statue, but they're also joining the MPs who, in solidarity from the opposition, are boycotting the whole session. Anand Patel is at the parliament premises. Anand, just tell us about this, that they decide to end their dharna, which seems the deadlock is over, but they're basically joining the collective boycott of the whole session.
Yes, precisely this is what the case is,
Okay.
Pooja. The MPs are saying that now they'll be joining the rest of the opposition MPs in boycotting the rest of the monsoon session. So that is why they'll leave that dharna site at the Gandhi statue and join the ranks with the other opposition MPs, Congress party and other like-minded parties. And it's a 7-point agenda over which this boycott has been decided for the rest of the monsoon session. The opposition parties, particularly the Congress party, feels that the manner in which the bills are being bulldozed without taking into consideration the opinion, the views of the opposition parties, without allowing any of the bill to go to the select committees, and suspension of 8 MPs when they were trying to demand a division, which is a right of any MP over this farm reform bill, completely negated by the Treasury benches. So these are the key demands and agendas over which this rest of the monsoon session will be boycotted by the opposition parties. And they are clearly saying that unless and until government climbs down, unless and until government takes into consideration their demand, they will not budge from this. So clearly the deadlock is not only there, but also looks like extending beyond the farm reforms bill.
Correct.
Pooja.
So how will the government really come out of this situation, and what happens to all the other bills that are still pending? Anand, thank you so much. We'll track this development.